yeah, we are finally done with the ugly part, and now we are going to do the main missions. And Zoe's in the background waiting, but yeah, I still need to do it and see as well. And yeah, I wish the main stories were the same as the others. One for the history books. 2 persons. Same as always, Zoe.
Yeah, but I still can join you, so.
I know.
Yeah.
But I just set it open for if so, and
Oh, okay.
you can do the same. So yeah, I have no idea what to expect in this quest, and it will be a lot of fun, I guess. The biggest of all.
Help him.
Work faster, you slack
He's alive.
Cutscene.
Quite a sight. Just wait till we're finished.
Soon, I hope.
The second fleet always delivers.
This is gonna work.
Chief, Commander.
So,
We'll get it ready by morning, I promise.
I'll hold you to it. When the time comes, you know what to do. The operation will commence at daybreak.
Sounds like we got our work cut out for us, eh, old man?
By next moonrise, Zora will be in chains. Get to your posts now!
Big.
Use the cannons and ballistae! Wear the beast down! If you've been wounded, retreat to the rear camp!
Now, now! Hold nothing back!
Alrighty then. Well, this is not that much easy, hard to do at the moment. Luckily those cannonballs are never ending. Oh, why am I running that far? My bad. There you go. Yay! Broken part! Okay, how long do I need to do this? Bird, go away! You're annoying as hell! don't think I can trap this one with the shock trap now.
No, shizzles.
Oh, Betsy is carrying a cannonball as well. Aww.
Oh, so cute.
See that little guy walking with a cannonball. Ow! That hurts. Now something tells me I can't use this cannon anymore. Fire, you idiot!
Proceed with caution.
Oh, can't load anymore? Flop. Ow! I told you, you freaking annoying! Flying orange straight into me. Idiots. Again. You are going to die. There we go. Okay, butchering and flying dude because he was right in front of the cannon. Okay, that one is totally missing.
Are you done with the quest?
No, not yet. Oh, I need arrows? Where are arrows? Oh, here are arrows. Okay.
It's time to restrain this beast. Ready your binders.
Climb up! The binder is on top of the barrier. Fire it with the ballista when you're ready.
Oh, the scanner and ammo. There's his eye. I want to poke his eye. Oh, there's the wonky. Quite broken. Need more arrows. I'm out of arrows. Ow. Okay, I need to go there then, I guess. Yeah, Patchy, I'm on my way. Oh, there are more cannons there. Ah, Patchy's running cannonballs to the cannon, but I'm not there.
Yeah, okay, I guess starting
Where's-
two car.
Where's your mount?
First binder post. Success. We restrained its movement.
Now, fire!
Second binder post. Success.
Now! Hammer it with all you've got! We need to wear it down!
One more. Come on, Patsy. Where are you? I can use your help. Ah, Patsy's there. Come on, little dude. Or you're tired because you're helping the others. No. Patsy's helping. Little dude with a big cannonball on his head.
Yeah, run away. I'm joking.
This one has no cannonballs anymore. Right.
I don't wanna.
Thank you for loading this one, Patsy.
It's broken loose.
Uh-oh.
And he's coming. Great. Great.
Patsy, where did you get that horn from? I can't remember. I gave you one.
What's the target's condition?
Come on, little guy.
Still not weak enough to capture, sir.
Damn.
You-
What's my post? To run away and hide in a barrel?
No, just shoot. Load the cannons up with cannonballs and just shoot them.
Yeah, that's fun. Great. Okay, cannonball. Sure.
There are maximum 5 in one cannon. Then you can shoot.
How do I reload? Boom.
Reload is just feeding them with cannonballs.
Oops. Oh, the cannonballs are. Oh my. Really? Okay, grabbing cannonballs, cause why not?
Well, I'm doing that the same thing.
Okay, let's see. Hello, beautiful. How do I fire? Okay, that one. Am I even shooting him?
Yeah, you are shooting him. Don't worry.
Yeah, whatever. If you say so. Oh yeah, it is. Just doesn't look like it.
Yeah, I was the same, but he was.
Grabbing again. Oh, you're kind of big. I don't like it.
Whoa!
Did I grab that? Yeah, I did. Oh, I can use this one. Oh, okay.
Hunters, grab your transports and proceed to the mounting phase of the operation.
You're so close. I don't like it. Why can't I? What the heck? I'm confused. Help!
This is where it really
Bird, back away!
do it.
Maybe that. I
Where
don't
do I need to go?
Now.
Drop item? Like, what? Yeah, reload, I know, but it won't let me reload. Bird, go away. Oh
Uh-oh.
my god, you're so close!
Magma cores on Zora's
No,
Those are
go
its
away!
reports. So if you attack them, it'll wear them down.
Can you ignore me, please?
For that magma. It's
That'll be
dangerous.
awesome. Why can't I'm
That's one of
confused.
those cores. Attack it.
Okay, going away from this one. Oops. Oops. Do I need to use this one? Well, this mission doesn't make any sense. Okay, not that one. Okay, got it. Jesus. Yeah, I'm not doing much in here. Oh my god, I can't do. It's not. Well, I'm confused. Hey, can I use this big freaking thingy? This cannon? Ow! Really, bird? Really?
Ow.
Don't you see the big ass dragon behind you and you're just gonna attack me? Really?
Yeah. I had the same thing.
Okay, he's ignoring me, thank you God. Okay, let's continue.
Ow. You should have shielded that one, but no, I was an idiot.
And go away. Is this for the cannon? Yeah. Oh, wait, what? Ballista? Oh, I was picking up the wrong. That makes sense. Okay, well, didn't know that. Okay. Ah, no! Don't look at me, honey. Oh, parts broken. Heck yeah! I feel proud. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Just don't kick me in the nuts. Thank you.
Okay, that's one gone.
Ah, good job,
No.
Loopy! You... Ah, precious baby.
It's so funny that they are helping you, helping us.
Yeah.
Okay, how the hell do I get there? Oh, I can climb this part? Aha!
Can I do this while you are moving? Perfect, thank you. Okay, I'm grabbing this again. Okay, moving away.
Mining outcorp. Oh, what's here?
Let's see. Use this one. This one does more damage.
Dragonite or...
So... Oh my god, leave me alone, you freaking idiots!
Oh, I need to go down there? What? Whee!
Well, this cannon is not destroyed yet. Oh my god, leave me alone! Is he gonna... Oh yeah, he's gonna do something. Ay, ay, ay. Ah, okay, that cannon is not working anymore.
I had the same.
Okay, you're running away. Birds, can you freaking fuck off? Please, no, go away. I'm busy. Loopy, grab some,
Ow.
No? Okay. Never mind. I'm good. Oh, I grabbed something I didn't... Oh, this weren't... What fighters? All the way there? Probably. No, you guys don't make any sense. I don't know where to go. I'm confused. I'm the only person here that's lost. Oh, okay, going up there, I guess. Guess why not? Let's get closer to the monster. Okay. Binders. Oh, this one. Okay. Yeah, of course, I'm the only one here. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I could say so. Okay. Can I just fire that one? Okay, this one. Wow, just one? Wow. Okay, let me grab these. Come on, honey, grab.
I think it's trying to get out.
Reload.
Calm and focus.
And fire.
Looking for those magma cores.
Wow, just...
Oh, I'm running the wrong way or something.
We've spotted another core on Zora Magdros' head.
Right, hunters.
Yeah, but where is his freaking head?
That core with all you've got.
Whee! I think
And I
I'm running
think
the
I
wrong
need
way.
to go away. Or, no? Can I still hit you one more time, baby? Just... whoop. There we go. I'm out.
Where is
Oh,
the
yeah,
other
he's-
core? Where is his freaking head? Oh, there is his head. Okay.
Can I reload them? Okay, you're ignoring me. Thank you. The only monster that doesn't love me.
Aww.
Yay! So happy. Just stay there.
Okay.
Excuse me, but I'm just climbing them out. Oh, go back here because I can mine an outcorp here.
Am I good here? Or... yeah, I'm the only one here, like... yeah. Okay, now I do what? Breaching the first barrier while no chisels. It's a big one, so... ah!
How can I do this?
Well, dropping that one.
I have no idea where to go.
Okay, where?
Wait long. Over here.
Oh, that one? What?
Okay.
I forgot how to do this. Ay. Can use your What? Oh, this one. Damn, I'm blind. Sorry.
Whoa, that was wonky, and I'm all the way down again.
Oh, Jesus, I'm on his back. Yay!
Yep. Can I stand here? No, I can't stand here. So...
Wait. Attack what? This one? Okay. I don't want to, but if you say so, why not? Ow! Well, you don't tell me it's hot. I'm kidding. Okay, that's done, right? Or no, not really. Oh my god, come on! Thank you. I'm not done yet, it seems. Okay. Okay, gotta be a little bit far away, cause you know.
Come on. Whoa! Well, I fell down.
Are you okay?
No, not really. Oh my god, I need to climb that one again. And I fell again. All the way down. Because why not?
Okay.
How much freaking do I have to shoot at these?
Quite a lot.
Yeah, I can see that.
Hunters, find the magma cores on its back.
Okay, one done. Excuse me, I'm just going up. Yeah, I did. I missed one back, but where's the other one? I'm kind of blind. Sorry.
Well, the same I have. That's not really only you.
Heck is.
There should be one here, but I'm not seeing it.
Okay, let me go back and deal with the other one in the meantime.
Where is this
Because I
one?
missed one. Let's see.
Do I need to go down? Oh, it's down and... Ah, okay. Ow.
Do I go? Yeah, okay, it's good. Lalalala. Here? Probably. Am I going the right freaking direction? I have no idea. Okay, what? How do I... ow, 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 ow. What? Okay. The heck do I... Can't go past this. Oh my god,
Okay.
I'm confused.
Towards the second barrier.
Hunters, hold your position. Watch your footing or it'll shake
Can I
you
go
off.
through here? No. What the...
Oh my god. Really? Once you broke a core, look for a white thingy that you could broke off.
Well, I'm trying, but I can't find Shizzles.
All right, let's restrain this beast. Ready your one-shot finders.
Oh, the heck. Not this way, that's for damn sure. Buddy, where's the other thing you have? Because I'm lost. I just destroyed one and I can't find the others. Great. Ow.
Not this way.
Ready your binders.
And I'm getting dizzy because of you freaking movement. This way? Oh wow, yeah, I'm getting freaking dizzy here. Jesus. I don't like this.
Get up on the Zora right now.
Yeah. I'm sorry, didn't. Ooh, what's this?
How can
Oh,
I travel
heck
through
yeah.
your windwake?
A monster!
Heck
Never
yeah.
mind.
Unknown
Heck
monster
yeah.
disappeared on Zora Magdaros'
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Ballista team, get ready to provide support. Hunters, under Zora's back, now!
Uh-oh. Who the hell is that?
This way? Yes, okay.
Mirigante. Oh my god.
This game was like, this girl is too stupid, let me just... yeah. Thank you, game. So it's okay, let's...
No, I didn't miss you because you now are kind of in my way.
Come on!
This isn't good.
Now! Aim! Fire!
Well, good for him.
Well, like on the fountain upgraded version of Johnny Bravo.
That's good, I guess.
Mm,
Oh, what the heck? No, I'm not okay. He just crushed me. What the heck is going on there? Buddy, I didn't finish my job there. Can you stop doing that? How the...
No way.
Did you manage to destroy all the 3 thingies?
yeah.
Well, I didn't. E. Traveling via... Yeah, please, travel me, because, you know, I'm kind of stupid. I can go there.
Okay, that got me knocked out. What the hell?
Oh, hi there.
Under Zora's
And this is not Johnny Bravo. This is... I don't know if we give him a name yet. Do I have to fight this guy? Oh, of course I do. Ah! He's ready.
He looked a little like Diablos, and that one you called Johnny Bravo. So
Oh,
yeah.
no, I'm not calling that guy Johnny Bravo, so yeah, you're...
Then who are you calling Johnny Bravo then?
A monster that really looks like Johnny Bravo.
Oh, Barot.
I don't know his name.
Stoneface.
Oh my god! Should I use the poopy thingies? If I have time, of course. To get this guy away from me! Ah! What's this?
I'm almost done, so I will follow you. Okay.
Oh my god, go away! Can somebody help me, please?
Yeah, I'm on my way.
Not you, the freaking idiots! I'm the only person up this guy's back, and I'm fighting another monster. Like, really? Ah! No!
Well, Master, now that you don't want my help.
Wow, you took your time, honey. How about you come more sooner? Jesus.
Well, I'm still sitting in the loading screen.
Not
Really?
you! The other idiots in this game! There's more idiots in this game that doesn't help me, and they're just stay there drinking coffee, and I'm fighting 2 monsters. Really? Really?
But you're on that one already? Okay.
I told you the game was taking pity on me and was like, okay, she can't find the 2 thingies, let's just move on. Cause she takes forever, you'll see when you're gonna watch this, yeah. So...
Okay, alright, gather around, let's get the console on the way. Official reports, where do we stand right now?
Ooh, hello.
Oh, he's talking. Oops.
Woohoo, nice!
He's from the first! Master!
That's Master. Well, your Master is kinda late.
Yep.
No way.
Badass! Of course, talking about the monster. And... yes, you got away. Thank you. Bye! Your master's kinda drunk. Never mind, I'm too. And...
I'm getting too old for this.
He's getting too old for this, really. Where's my cat, by the way? Don't care about you guys. And he's leaving like, yeah, bye, bitches. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Well, I didn't do shizzles in this mission, so yeah.
New specialized tool added. Health booster. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, we opened the Great Ravine. That's nice. Oh, my harvest box is full. Whoopsie. Laid back batonist. Oh, got another new quest.
Let's get council underway. First, your reports. Where do we
Hunter Rattian. Well,
Reached the Great Ravine. We've lost track of it, sir. The situation has made it quite difficult for us. However, I think we have a chance to salvage the situation if we can pick up its trail on the other side.
We've got some good news from the field team on that front.
okay, well, thank you for watching for now, and see you
Zora
soonies.
passed through, created a fissure. That fissure is our ticket to catching up with the beast.
There's no point. We exhausted our supplies during the last operation. Even if we did track it down, there's no way we'll be able to pull off anything of that scale.
Then what should we do, Commander?
We'll have to send a ship to the guild.
A ship?
But with the skies and seas the way they are...
It doesn't matter. We cannot proceed without notifying the guild of the situation. We should send word and wait for their decision. Captain, can I count on you?
Never you worry, sir. I've been watching the sea churn and waiting for my chance to tame her again.
It seems that the fissure in the Great Ravine has not only given us a path, but an opportunity as well. Together, we're going to brave whatever lies on the other side and find Zora Magdaros' trail. Hunters, head to the Great Ravine as soon as you're ready. May the Sapphire Star light your way. Dismissed.
Hey, partner. Let's go on an
Hope you like our fits. And me and Zoe really enjoying making the fits for you all. So I really hope you like it. Any ideas and so on, please set it in the comments below. And if you like or dislike, hit the thumbs button. You know, the up and down one. And for more, hit the big red subscribe button. So yeah, as well, Zoe's channel is also features on my main one. So if you want to see the MMDs, please visit hers. And yeah, me and Zoe will say thank you for watching and see you in the next one.